let us talk about the story of a woman from Solomon Islands. This is the story of Alice entitled A Home for Worship. My name is Alice and I am from the Solomon Islands. I served for many years as a high school teacher and today I work as a freelance educator and researcher. In all that I do, I carry deep gratitude for a place that helped shape my faith, the Pacific Tertiary Evangelistic Center or PTEC in Suva, Fiji. In the 2000s, our group of Adventist students kept moving from place to place every Sabbath. We rented lecture rooms or community halls, carried musical instruments and sound systems, and sometimes even got soaked in the rain. The situation was difficult, but we had a dream to have a place of our own where young students could worship, grow in faith, and be prepared as ambassadors for Christ. God answered our prayers through the 13th Sabbath offering in the third quarter of 2006 with additional support in 2009. Through the faithful giving of church members around the world, the land at 7 Grantham Road in Suva was purchased and PTEC was built. Today, PTEC is a vibrant community of faith. It is known for its contemporary choir ministry, impact outreach, and the Adventist Students Association or ASA. Here, many students have found purpose, leadership, and genuine fellowship. As Sandra Dosebea from the Solomon Islands shared, "The highest point of my spiritual life happened at PTEC. God is faithful and good." PTEC is not just a building, it is a home, a testimony of faith, generosity, and unity. Thank you to the World Church for your offerings that made this possible. Your giving has helped shape the lives of many young people. Your 13th Sabbath offering this quarter will also help support health projects for children in the Solomon Islands and Vanuatu. May we use our gifts with gratitude and hearts for mission as God's light continues to shine through us. Thank you for planning a generous offering.